John and Jane are homeowners. They bought their home a number of years ago. They just welcomed home a new set of twins. Now John and Jane have outgrown their current home. They decided to go home shopping with a local realtor. After viewing a number of homes and making several offers, they got frustrated. The market is tough, and move-in ready homes go for a premium. Their realtor told them to call Service First Mortgage to discuss options. John and Jane called their Service First loan officer, who had pre-qualified them, and told them they could not find a home in their budget. That's when the Service First loan officer talked to them about a home improvement loan. The Service First loan officer told them they could use a home renovation loan to stay in their existing home and add an extra bedroom if they want one. Or they could find a home in the perfect school district that needed some work and purchase it using a renovation loan and turn it into their dream home. The Service First loan officer explained to them that to purchase a home, all they would have to do is negotiate the lowest purchase price possible and work with a contractor to put together a bid for the upgrades that they wanted to finance. Jane and John decided to purchase a $300,000 home in need of some work and finance a $100,000 room addition, a kitchen remodel, and 3 bathroom upgrades. The Service First loan officer added the $300,000 purchase price to the $100,000 room addition and gave Jane and John a renovation loan for $380,000. John and Jane purchased the new home, customized it with the perfect upgrades that they were able to hand select, and now they have all the room they need for their new, larger family. If you would like to learn more about how to buy a fixer-upper or finance improvements to your existing home, contact your local Service First loan officer or call 214-945-1066 and speak to the specialty lending team. They will send you a free ebook entitled How to Buy a Fixer-Upper with a Renovation Home Loan. Richard Woodward, NMLS 217454. Your local, direct, 5-star rated mortgage lender. Specialty Lending Manager. Office 214-945-1006. www.mortgageprosus.com/5-star reviews. Service First Mortgage, NMLS 166487. 6800 Weiskopf Avenue, number 200, McKinney, Texas 75070. Licensed by the Texas Department of Savings and Mortgage Lending, SML, Mortgage Banker Registration. Service First Mortgage is an equal housing lender. This is not an offer of credit or commitment to lend. Loans are subject to buyer and property qualification. Rates and fees are subject to change without notice. The views expressed on the site are those of the individual author and do not necessarily reflect the positions, strategies, or opinions of Service First Mortgage or its affiliates.